So now we'll create a users.html. We'll create a new HTML file. So this is because we sort of name it users.html already. So we have to create a new HTML file for this because we want to output the data in a new page instead of the current page that we already have, the index.html. So first and foremost, of course, you have to create a new file. So what you do is just click new file and you key in users.html. Oh, I named it wrongly. Okay. So similarly to the first video that we made, there's a quick way for us to get in all the base data that we need. Those idoc type and the UTF-8 stuff, the meta cache set. So what we can do is that we click in exclamation mark, then we click tab. This will auto-complete it for you in a way. And you can ignore line 5, as I said earlier, which is make it compatible for Internet Explorer, which is not really used right now. And line 6 is to just make it such that it will auto readjust, resize it for phones, for other devices. Okay, so what is this page for? We will name it displaying the names. And in the body, maybe we can make oh, they made it for us. So let's start explaining. So H1 is the first header, the biggest header, and UL means unordered list, and you have an ending for it. And LI means a list object. So previously in the backend, the data we pass over is called data. So obviously this will be wrong, right? So once again, we'll make use of something called Jinja for us to display all the names we have already. So this is like a for loop, basically, pseudocode stuff, yeah. So what we have to do is that instead of using names, because we passed it as data, we change this names to data. So for all the names inside the data, so like a for loop, the first iterative and so on and so on, you want to output name. And yeah, so that's basically all you need to do to display all the names. And then you end for. So what does UL actually does? Unordered list. Unordered list basically just create like bullet points for it, and so that it goes like straight down. Let me just show you quickly to give you a better view of it, a better example. So when you submit this, you give this, and then you want to access the users page. It'll tell me users here. You'll get a way to like direct it there later. And yeah, there's a dot here. So this is made by the list lah. This is the unordered list, sorry. So you can actually change it to ordered list, and this will become numbers instead. So let's just add a few demo data for you to try out, for us to try out. So I go to this, like my name, and then you go to slash users, and tada, you can see like bullet points. But if you want them to be numbers, you can change to ordered list. And this will make them all become numbers instead. And yeah, that's all you need to display the names. And that's all I have for today. Thank you.